Okay, question 1A. So they're asking what is the square root of 49? Well, square root of 49 is 7. We know that already. 7 times 7 is 49. B, what is the square root of 81? It's going to be 9 because 9 times 9 is 81. C, the square root of 225. Again, we have memorized that already. 15 times 15 is 225, so the square root of 225 is 15. D, the square root of 2500. If you still remember from the Math 8 book, we are allowed to break this down into two factors, right? 2500 is the same as 25 times 100. So you always want to take out an even amount of 0 because the square root of 1 followed by a bunch of 0, you can just halve the amount of 0. And of course, you know that the square of 100 is 10. Or you can think of just halving the 2 zeros, so you get 1 0. The square of 25 is 5, so 5 times 10 is 50. So you can say the square root of 2500 is 50. E, we cannot square root a negative number, so in this case, there are no answer. F, the square root of 4 over 25. Again, for Math 8, you have learned that you're able to do the numerator and denominator individually. And the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 25 is 5. G, the square root of 121 over 9. So again, we just do the numerator and denominator individually. The square of 121 is 11, and the square root of 9 is 3. H, the square root of 225 over 49. Again, we just do the numerator and denominator individually. The square of 225 is 15, the square root of 49 is 7. I, we have the square root of 0.09. You can either just do the square root of 9 to get 3, and then you halve the amount of decimal places to get 1 decimal places. So you will just have 0.3. That's one way of doing this problem. Or some students would like to rewrite this as a fraction. To rewrite this as a fraction, you will just have 9 over 100. And then now you can do the numerator and denominator individually. The square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 100 is 10. And you will still get 0.3 because 3 over 10 is 0.3. J, square root of 0.0625. So again, I will probably just do the square of 625. I've memorized that already, is 25. And then there are 4 decimal places, so I just have the amount of decimal places to have 2 decimal places. Okay, that's it for question 1. I'll see you in question 2.